Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 28 under Section 3. The instruction is, after each of the following sentences is a list of possible interpretations. Choose the option that is most appropriate for each sentence. So, the sentence given to us is, we never expected that the father would read you the riot act. This means that he A. taught us the riot act, B. cautioned us to be involved in riots, C. warned us to stop making trouble, D. encouraged us to make trouble. So the expression we are looking at here is read you the riot act. What does it mean to read one, read you or read one the riot act? Now, to read one the riot act means to caution, okay, to caution, or it could also mean to discipline, to caution or to discipline. So to caution or to discipline as a result of or as consequence of any form of misbehavior is to read one the riot act. To read one the riot act. Now, option C is warn us to stop making trouble. Warn us to stop making trouble. Now, warning someone to stop making trouble can be described as cautioning someone, or even, as the case may be, as a form of discipline. So it is closest, it is most appropriate, or it is the most appropriate definition or interpretation of to read one the riot act. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Warn us to stop making trouble. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.